Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can play an audio clip backwards in Unity. This will also work if you want to loop that clip backwards as well. Let's get right into it. So our current setup is we have an audio source, and that's it. And we also have a WAV file imported into our project. I don't know how effective this method is on other file formats, but it will work for WAV files. So we're going to listen to the music we're going to loop. So I've just got the Cynthia theme, just the beginning part of it. So let's go and write some code. So we're going to right click in our assets folder and go to create, and then we're going to go to C# script. And we'll call it reverse player. And once you've named your script, open it up. Once you've opened it up, you can make your script look exactly like the one I've got here, but don't worry, we're going to go through it all. So let's get into how this works. Firstly, we've got public audio source, and this is going to be the audio source that's going to play the music. And we're going to do public audio clip, and this is going to be the clip we're going to give to the audio source to play. And make sure you have these three libraries imported at the top of your code. And in our start function, we're going to do AudioSource.clip equals clip. So we're going to assign our audio source of a clip to play. And we're just going to do an if statement here to make sure we have an audio source and that we have a clip. Because if we don't have one of those, then we're going to have an error. So we want to make sure we have both of those. So next we're going to do AudioSource.pitch equals -1. And this is going to tell Unity to play the audio clip in reverse or backwards. Now this won't work on WebGL, but it should work on other platforms. And the negative pitch value makes the sound play backwards. And then we can do AudioSource.timeSamples equals AudioSource.clip.samples -1. This line sets the playback position to the very last sample of the audio clip. In other words, it tells Unity to start playing from the end of the clip. And then we're going to do AudioSource.play. This script is going to tell the audio source to start playing the audio. Since the pitch is -1, it attempts to play the clip from the end to the beginning, which results in the audio being played in reverse. And since we're changing the pitch, when we loop the audio, we're going to go back to the end of the clip and then go through it backwards for each loop iteration. So we're going to save our work and go back into Unity. We are then going to go to our audio player to drag and drop on the script. We're going to drag and drop our audio source into the audio source and drag and drop our WAV file into the clip. We're going to save our work and we're going to hit the play button. And as you heard, we managed to play through the entire clip backwards. Then, when we got to the start of that clip, we then went back to the end and started playing from the end again. So it works. We reversed the clip and we looped it. Now, I don't think this works with this particular WAV file very well in terms of how good it sounds, but this could be good for other audio, and you don't want to have multiple WAV files when you could instead reverse the clip. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.